welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video we are going to be doing a bathroom deep cleaning. Yes, and before then I want to thank each and every one of you who subscribed to my channel so far, guys. Thank you guys so much for showing me that love, for appreciating the little work I've been doing. Thanks so much for the feedback, the supportive reviews and all that. It makes me happy. If you guys don't understand, thank you all so much, and I hope to improve in the future and to stay consistent. Anyways, today we are going to be cleaning the bathroom again. I mean, what do I mean again? We cleaned it when we moved in. If you've watched the video to now and you haven't yet watched our empty house tour, please, I'm going to link it right up here. Just go ahead and watch the empty house tour, then you might just understand what I'm about to say. When we moved in, or when we viewed the house, first and foremost, this bathroom looked terrible. I mean, if not for the fact that we were really house hunting, we would have probably not taken this house because of the way the bathroom was looking like. I asked myself, like, how will people stay in a house and they wouldn't have that time, you know, to clean the bathroom? At least it's one room where you get in and out. I mean, one of those places where you even walk in and out more than your own bedroom. So it was messy, stinky, dirty. Gosh, I mean, when we came in the first day, I could not even use the toilet. Don't even ask me how I pulled through the first day. On the second day, until we managed to clean the bathroom, I mean, I could not. It was terrible, believe me. So we used about 4 good hours. We cleaned this bathroom before we were even able to brush our teeth. I mean, it was so nasty in a way that it just needed some deep cleaning. So I didn't actually film that day. I just had like before video and after video. I didn't really have like the procedure or how we did clean and everything. So we are already like 2 weeks into the house, and I will just go ahead and show you guys how we'll be cleaning, what products I'm using. I'll probably just show you guys that before we even start the whole cleaning process. So we are going to be using products from DM and from Action. Those are the same products which we used during our first cleaning. So first we'll be using the stencil for the rinsing, and then we are going to, this is from Action, and then we'll be using the beef hygiene total, equally from Action. I mean, I love this particular one. This equally gives the toilet a fresh smell. Then we are going to be using this bathroom cleaner as well. I bought it, but I didn't use it the first time I was cleaning, so I'm going to be using it today. And then the ones we got from DM are the dank meat, which is equally very recommendable and very good, equally for cleaning the bathroom. And then we have these other 2 from Frosh. This is the orange universal cleaner, and then we have the vinegar cleaner. I just pour this all over in the bathroom, in the toilet, and yeah, in the sink, just so it, you know, takes out the dirt first before I'm able to. It's going to ease me actually to scrub. And last but not least is this disinfectant spray, equally from DM, which I use after cleaning everywhere in the bathroom. I just make sure I spray just to disinfect the area. With the virus going out now, I just make sure that everywhere is disinfected. Without wasting much of your time, you know, you're just going to go ahead and start cleaning. are done decorating already. You guys watch me clean, you guys watch me decorate, and now I'm just going to go ahead and tell you guys where I got what from, just in case you're interested in one or two items, and just in case you're equally based in Germany. Literally, I think I would say 90% or 95% of my decorations and even more other decorations to come are from Action, just because they have this amazing, I mean, the products they have are just amazing. The qualities on the 100, like, and they're equally budget friendly. So that is one thing and one reason why I really go there to shop, in as much as there are other shops, Steady, Cake, TK Maxx and all that. And right down here I just have a few storage boxes which I got from Cake, very cheap as well. I think the smaller ones were about €1.99 if I'm not wrong. Yes, about €1.99, and I got this about 2 years ago when I was pregnant, or when I actually put to bed, and I needed some storage items to store baby items. In 3 of those, in the first one I just have like body items or body products, from my body lotion right up to my deo spray to body gel, body shampoo. Right over there, this is actually empty, but its purpose is for towels, for our own towels. Here I just have my hair products, nothing so much, just my hair products, gel, mousse, yeah, nothing really much in here. And then in the last section down, I have this other pin storage back here with toilet tissue and my sanitary pads. And right here I have this Bio Flush toilet papers, equally from Action. The other last storage right here, there are lots and lots of scented items here, from scented candles right up to perfume, to scented diffusers in different scents. I have here the rose, then I have vanilla, I have lavender, and then I have right here some scented bags, equally in 10. Right here I equally have mini diffusers. This is just going to be great for like the bathroom or even for our hallway. On the other side I have this laundry bag which I equally got from TK Maxx, equally at a very low price. So yeah, a good buy. This other side I have this hand wash dispenser right here, which I equally got from Action in the shade black, because I couldn't find them in white. They were only in black or in, I think, light green or so. So I didn't want to have anything light greenish here. It was either white, cream, like vanilla white, like the scented diffuser, or I went for black. So since I found black, I went for the black shade. So really nothing much actually. That's basically what's happening here. Anyways, what I've actually stored here is equally nothing much, just my body scrub, my Sharifa Flawless Skin body scrub and soap and body scrub as well, some ear cotton, this amazing soft face scrub from Action as well, in coffee. Guys, this is really something you all need to try if you've not tried it yet before. It's soft and it really feels amazing. You can use it for your face or for your body, but I've used it for a week now and I can only tell you, bomb. Like, if not for the smell, really it smells amazing. I'm going to see if I use it on my body. In fact, this whole tube is finished already, so yeah. But for my face, it really did a good job. It feels soft, and you just need to scrub all over your face, you know, like you do your face scrubs actually, and it has that coffee smell. So if you're a coffee kind of person, this is definitely for you. So guys, that's actually it for today's video. And if you're watching up to this extent and you haven't subscribed yet, please do me that favor. Like I earlier said, click on that subscription button and immediately on the notification bell, so each time an interesting video is up, you'll definitely be the first to be notified. Thank you guys so much for always supporting and for always tuning. Until my next video, stay blessed and I love you guys. Bye. Peace out.